I'm going to talk to you about our facial wellness workshops. All of our classes are approved by NCBTMB. The first on our list is Aromatherapy for Healthy Skin and Facial Gua Sha, which is a continuing education hours. In this class, we're going to explore the effects of aromatics on skin health and learn about healing botanicals such as essential oils, fatty acids, and other ingredients to promote healthy and radiant skin. Once you finish this course, you will be prepared to add a new service to your menu and also have the ability to customize it for your individual practice. So what's included in this course? So first we have this beautiful facial gua sha tool that I have custom made for this training, and also a set of mushroom tools, as well as a hard copy of Luminous Skin Aromatherapy for Healthy Skin and Facial Gua Sha. We will practice facial gua sha and acupressure to revitalize the skin and relax tense facial muscles. With the new knowledge of botanicals, you will be ready to add a new service to your menu. Next class on our list is called Integrative Spa Facial Cupping. It's for continuing education hours. In this class, we're going to learn how to alleviate facial tension and TMJ discomfort, treat neurofacial pain such as trigeminal neuralgia, identify indications and contraindications for facial cupping, promote lymphatic drainage for the face and neck, relieve neck pain and tension headaches, also perform some facial rejuvenation techniques, lifting, sculpting, and toning the face, right? Like a natural face lift. We're going to also stimulate cell renewal, boost collagen and elastin, and have a complete signature protocol for your practice. Learn how to market to your clients with confidence in this training. This workshop is divided into 3 parts. So part 1 is lymphatic drainage, part 2 is facial rejuvenation, lifting, toning, and smoothing, and part 3 is neurofacial cupping. In this class, we're going to cover protocols for the entire face, all the surrounding areas, face, neck, and décolleté. Get ready to leave with a new service on your menu that you can market with ease with this training. And this training also comes with a set of 4 facial cups. The last on our list of facial massage workshops is the Thai Herbal Facial Poultice, 5 CE hours. The Thai Herbal Facial Poultice is a holistic treatment that encompasses healing traditions of Thailand with aromatic herbs. This is an ancient healing method that uses a warmed, steamed herbal balm full of medicinal, skin-loving herbs, and it's used to provide a soothing facial massage. It helps to alleviate many types of discomfort, including chronic facial pain and facial restrictions in the head, neck, and scalp. And we can also achieve redness reduction, facial contour, tension relief, skin radiance, lifting of lines, sagging, wrinkles, overall brightening with this warm herbal poultice massage. It's really soothing, where you can really provide a nice gentle face, scalp, and neck treatment that is deeply relaxing and beneficial. We're going to discover methods to utilize the herbal poultice as well as a cooling face roller to relax facial muscles, alleviate sinus pressure, and promote lymphatic drainage. And we're also going to learn how to market it to your clients. Included in this course is also a manual and a beautiful jade roller that is yours to keep, as well as your poultice. After training, students will have the ability to add the herbal poultice massage to their bodywork toolbox. As of right now, these classes are live in person. Facial Gua Sha, however, is also available as a home study course. You can visit our website for more details. If you have any questions, feel free to use the contact page on our website.